Hey guys, what's going on? Day trading knockout here. I got another video for you, another short one. It's just going to be another close of the day analysis and what it is you can do to make sure that you don't have the absolute life sucked out of your account. Don't fuck up. Here we go. Alrighty. So basically today, I'm just going to go over the fact of what it is that I'm seeing and what I did for today with this afternoon's Wednesday analysis. Just hold on 1 second, guys. My phone is being a piece of shit. So 1 second. Yes, this is how you know you're getting the raw stuff. I just look at shit on my phone, and I know what I'm doing in terms of I have experience, but I just sound like a complete idiot sometimes. Hopefully, you guys believe I'm competent. But basically, I'm just gonna go over a few things. So first off, when you look at the daily chart, what I'm seeing here is that um, at the moment, it does appear that we are in the daytime frame trading range. So right now, with my rules and what it is I do, anytime we get to the upper or lower extreme, and as of right now, I do have those levels. 1 second, I got that level charted out as the lower extreme is at 517.67, and at the moment, the upper extreme is leveled at 523.83 dollars. So basically, right now anytime we get to those extreme levels, the upper or lower extreme, I am cautious to get breakout trades, and I don't look to take breakout trades because anytime we get to those upper extremes, until we get a 1 hour higher low or a 1 hour lower high below those levels, I'm not really interested in doing that shit because most of the time, if I haven't talked about it before, trading range breakout entries typically fail unless you get stronger, higher time frame confirmation. So basically, to sum it up, I only take a trade higher than this if we get a 1 hour lower high, higher low, and I won't only take a bearish trade around here if we get a 1 hour lower high here. So 1 hour higher low, 1 hour lower high. Simple, good. Next thing. So it is raining like a son of a bitch here in Florida. And if you Florida people, shout out. But let's see here. Now, we don't got any chart patterns that are present. The only thing that I'm taking as note is that one, the new thing is the fact that we confirmed that we're in a daytime frame trading range as we had continuation after this hammer candle on the daytime frame chart. On top of that, look at where we got support at. It was around this breakout candle at the potential day ascending triangle high of 517.1. So that's interesting as these levels did show signs of support and they did step up. But nevertheless, we're still in a trading range, so I got to take that into account. And there's many other things in alignment that show certain things are bullish. Like if you look at the Fibonacci's right here, and you retrace it, basically, you can see here that again, this is just another piece of data. But if you go from here, even at the most recent push, we're still above the 38.2% retracement. And the lower you go, the more likely you're going to be above 38.2. So we're going to be even higher on this one, as you can see here. So yeah, basically, even though we have that context, overall the context is be very patient. We're in a trading range. Don't look for breakout trades. Look for failure to follow through trades until we get the hour higher time frame confirmation. And yeah, with that being said, let's move on to the next thing. So basically, here when you go down to the 1 hour time frame chart, same things apply. We're still in the daytime, the trading ranges with the upper and lower extreme rules is applied. And basically, when you look at this, what I'm seeing here is that anything above here would be bullish, as this any hourly higher low above here is bullish, hour lower high below here is bearish, and anything in between is neutral. So there's a few things I want to take into consideration. Some setups I want to avoid is, as always, fundamentals come first, so don't chase the market. Make sure I get the exact higher time frame confirmation, whether it's the 15-minute higher time frame or if we're at the lower extreme or upper extreme waiting for the 1 hour higher time frame confirmation. Don't be so biased. Understand that anything is possible with the market. Be careful in the upper and lower extremes of this trading range. And for tomorrow, I'm not going to take any bearish trades since we're pretty much right around the lows of the lower extremes. So I'm only looking for bullish setups. And again, adjust my trades depending on if we have a gap up or gap down day on tomorrow's open. And lastly, the bullish scenarios I'm going to be looking for is any type of 15-minute higher low above here, and it's just going to be for somewhat of a decently quickish scalp. And if we get a 15-minute higher low above here, I'm going to be targeting 522.20. And then after that, I'm going to be targeting 523.20. Again, real quick setups. I'm not going to be looking to continue past that because at that point we're going to be close to the upper extreme. This is more of a scalp trade, but still decent R&R. Not great. I'm not too excited about it. Be hesitant with this, given the context of the market. The last one, which would give me a little more room, but again, you don't want to just solely look on it. Adjust depending on what you get. That would be looking for a uh, any type of 15-minute signs of failure. So like a hammer candle here, a down up twin reversal, a higher low above here. So maybe we open here, we come down, retrace, and then get a higher low. Anything that shows a failure around here, as this is where buyers stepped up here on both the breakout candle and the wick right here. So just looking for a decently quickish, a little bit more room to run. But again, once we get the higher low here, I'm going to be looking to target $520 and $521. And with the runner pass continuation plan, the rule that I usually do, I'm not going to be going past $523 since we're up the upper extreme here. So yeah, that's pretty much all of that. And then when you look at things like the dollar cent fold, there isn't too much significance that happened here. Trade Brigade does this much better than me. I'm a dumbass compared to him, but again, that's my mentor. He's the reason that I've learned what I've learned with a decent amount of speed. And I'm going to be consistent uh, more than all these other people, simply because I had the best teacher out there. But in terms of that, um, nothing too significant. We didn't get past the negative 5 million or the 5 million barrier, even though we had a decently bearish gap down yesterday. Uh, we still didn't have anything that significant, and we didn't even have follow through. So that's a sign of showing that there's not really any new money sellers being present. Even especially with the fact that we were in this negative 1500, negative 2000 range, and and on top of that, look at that. A lot of mixed bag showing that there's not really much new money sellers going on. So that's why you also need to be careful with looking for continuation pass here, along with the trading range rules that I have in play. Now, on top of that, when you look at it, there's not really a whole signs of new money sellers involved either. Nothing that significant on the day that we did reject the gap down yesterday. And again, we didn't even get to the $1,500, $2,000 range, and nothing significant on the tick. So really, I'm not too anticipating for anything significant to happen tomorrow. In fact, really, all I'm going to be looking for is more of just like you know a more data to accumulate before I think of having any type of bias. But I'm never truly biased, and even if I am a little more biased because there's an edge present there, don't be 100% in on any side. Understand that you shouldn't be trading based on a bias. You should be trading based on the edge that is present due to data that accumulates in the market and is showing itself objectively. So, with that being said, guys, take all of that into consideration. Stay safe, stay smart, keep learning with the market, get screen time experience, day trading knockout. I even get my name wrong. My name is so stupid, I swear to God. But day trading knockouts here. Glad to speak with y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.